Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, that's right, and good evening, everybody. We had a little rain in the Billings area today, but if your travel plans took you to the Black Hills of South Dakota like Kathy did, you could see what they had there. They had snow falling there all the way in there. So, yeah, that's what we're looking across southern Montana and into South Dakota tonight, some snow falling out there. And here's a picture from Jennifer Ackerwood. She says, I had a little morning visitor, and this is what it looked like. Looks like a little fawn there moving in. And I like this one from Sandy Dare. She says, it was just a foul day. In fact, this one was for the birds. Yeah, let's move on and show you what's happening out there. Here's the way it looks in Billings right now. It looks like it's just ducky. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies, light rain falling, 41 degrees. Winds out of the northeast at about 12 miles per hour. Makes it feel like 34 degrees out there. Now, our reported high temp today was 45. Here's your normal high, 69. The record was 91 back in 1980. Record low was 31 back in 1963. And as far as precipitation, oh yeah, look at that, 2/10 of an inch of rain for Billings today. Now, that takes us to 169 for the month and 699 for the year. Ahead of normal in both of those categories. And as you'll see here, we're still looking at temperatures generally into the 30s, 40s, and 50s out in the west. Cross the highlight into the 30s and 40s here. 53 over Glasgow right now. South central Montana, Livingston a little cooler at 37. It's 36 degrees over in Cody. Of course, Billings at 41. 33 at Sheridan. Ooh, that's a little chilly. Elsewhere, these are our reported highs for the day. 40s and 50s in eastern Montana. But look out in the west. Look how hot it got out here. Into the 60s, 64 over Kalispell and Missoula. And as we move on tonight, here's the story here. We do have some problems. Winter weather advisory above the 6,000 foot level for Marr, Cascade, Judith Basin, and Fergus County. Could see maybe 2 to 8 inches of snow in those areas. Meanwhile, back down here in Montana, look at this. The scattered rain showers continue across the southern half of the state. Where we're getting little elevation, we're starting to see the rain change over to snow here tonight as temperatures start cooling down. So we could see scattered snow showers, maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow all through here as well. We'll pull back a little bit farther and show you all this stuff continues to be streaming in from the Dakotas and right out towards the western part of the state. So what's happening here? We have a low pressure cell, big upper level low, slinging that moisture back towards us. And just about the time that moisture quits, another low pressure cell has moved in and it's grabbing that moisture and then wrapping it around this way. So it actually pulls it clean across the state. So what's going to happen with us tonight? Well, there's that one low pressure cell moving in towards Minnesota. A couple of low pressure cells here at the surface continue to sling that moisture our way. By Wednesday morning, scattered rain showers for Billings, snow up in the higher elevations. Then probably on Wednesday night, more rain across south central Montana. But we think by Thursday morning, most of that stuff starts to fade away, but a new batch of rain moves in by Thursday night. So we're kind of in and off and on scattered rain showers throughout the next several days. Here in Billings, we could pick up another ½ an inch out of this stuff, maybe 3/4 of an inch at Livingston, ½ an inch over Miles City. The big winner is going to be Sheridan at 1.56, almost 1.5 inches of rainfall. Now here tonight, temps cooling back down to the 30s and 40s out west, mostly 30s and 40s back in the east. Scattered rain and snow showers still possible tonight around our region. Here in Billings, it'll be probably getting back up to about 51 degrees tomorrow, back into the 50s and 60s across the rest of eastern Montana. In the far west, into the 50s and 60s out there as well. Now tonight for Billings, we'll cool down to 39 degrees. Look for patchy fog. Now a 100% chance for more rain to fall. Winds out of the northeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour tonight. Then for tomorrow, back into the 50s. Same thing on Thursday. Good chance for rain both of those days. Friday, 60 degrees with a 30% chance for showers. Saturday, only a 20% chance for rain and 65 degrees the rest of your weekend into the 60s with more showers all the way through into Tuesday. Let's go back to the desk.